Welcome to Wild and Majestic Animal Channel. Kindly subscribe for more animal videos like this. Spiny bush viper facts. Spiny bush viper is a venomous snake native to Africa. These snakes live in Congo, Uganda, and Kenya. There are 3 subspecies of spiny bush vipers that differ in color, size, and type of habitat where they can be found. Spiny bush vipers prefer rainforests that offer plenty of flowering bushes. These snakes are rarely seen in the wild because they inhabit regions that are distant from human settlements. For the same reason, the exact number of remaining spiny bush vipers in the wild is unknown. The spiny bush viper is of a smaller variety, with the males growing a little under 30 inches and the females about 23 inches. They get their name from their distinguishing keeled scales. This term is given to reptiles whose scales have a ridge down the center, giving a rough appearance. Spiny bush vipers are often green or brownish. There are brightly colored ones, but they are rarely found in the wild. These vipers are excellent climbers and have no problem slithering up reeds and stalks using their prehensile tail, which means they can use it to hold onto branches or even hang upside down. The spiny bush viper is found only in Central Africa's rainforests, where there is a vast amount of flowering bushes. They are often hard to find in the wild as they inhabit places that are far from human interaction. During the day, the spiny bush viper can be seen basking in the sun on top of flowering bushy plants. This leaves all hunting to be done at night. Their diet is made up of frogs, birds, lizards, and other small mammals. Not only does this viper hunt in the trees, but it will also occasionally feed on mammals on the ground. It uses an ambush predatory technique, curling into an S shape before lunging at prey and killing them with its venom. Interesting spiny bush viper facts. Spiny bush vipers are small snakes that can reach 18 to 23.6 inches in length. Females are larger than males. Spiny bush vipers are usually green, olive green, bluish, or brownish. They have a yellow or pale olive belly. The body ends with an ivory white tail. Brightly colored spiny bush vipers, yellow, red, or gray, are rarely seen in the wild. Spiny bush vipers have a broad head with large eyes, a large mouth, and slit-like nostrils that are positioned laterally. The body of spiny bush vipers is covered with scales that are heavily keeled on the dorsal side of the body. That's why these snakes are also known as rough-scaled bush viper and hairy viper. Spiny bush viper is an excellent climber. It easily reaches the upper part of the flowering bushy plants, where it spends most of its day, basking in the sun. The tail of spiny bush vipers is prehensile. Snakes use their tails to hold the branches when they move through the vegetation or to hang from the branches when they hunt the prey. Spiny bush viper is a nocturnal creature, active during the night. Spiny bush viper is a carnivore, meat eater. It usually eats rodents, birds, lizards, and frogs. Spiny bush viper is an ambush predator. It uses its venomous fangs to kill the prey. Before the attack, the spiny bush snake curls its body in the shape of a letter S. Spiny bush viper produces strong venom which induces severe bleeding of internal organs. The amount and strength of the venom depend on the age of the snake, geographic region, altitude, and even weather. Snakebite may be fatal for humans because an antidote for this venom doesn't exist. Luckily, people rarely visit isolated and remote habitats of Central Africa where spiny bush viper can be found. The mating season of spiny bush vipers takes place in October. Female gives birth to 9 to 12 babies, usually from March to April. Spiny bush vipers are 6 inches long at birth and have dark green bodies covered in wavy stripes. Young snakes attain adult coloration at the age of 3 to 4 months. Spiny bush vipers reach sexual maturity at the age of 2 to 3 years. Spiny bush vipers can survive 10 to 12 years in captivity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and leave a comment below. Thank you.